Welcome back to AB's Kitchen, and this is what we're doing today, guys. We're doing ham for our dinner. So therefore, follow along with me as I complete this project. Okay guys, I'm just washing this ham off a little bit before we get this started. Now I'm just gonna place this ham over in the slow cooker, and I have 1 can of pineapple chunks, and this is all we're gonna do with it for now. We're going to check on it in 1 hour. As I have 1 stick of butter, and now I'm adding 1 cup of brown sugar. And I'm going to add about 10 ounces of the pineapple juice from the can. And we're going to let this dissolve in here. I'm actually going to add honey as well. But you can add as much honey as you like. Okay, I'm going to have a half a cup of honey. And to get your honey to release from your cup, just spray it with a little non-stick oil, and it'll come right out with no problem. And we're gonna let this cook for a few seconds, a few minutes, and we'll be back. Now all of the sugar have all melted together. The honey, everything is thin, and now it's time to pour over your ham. And we got the ham at 350 degrees for 40 minutes. Okay, the ham is done. It has cooked for 2.5 hours in the slow cooker. And what we're gonna do now, we're gonna garnish it, and then we're gonna pour our sauce over it, put it in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes, and then we'll be back. Now we're going to pour the sauce over it. This is our honey glazed ham, our honey glazed sauce that we're pouring over. And we're going to put it in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes. The finished product. And this has been in the oven for 20 minutes on 400 degrees. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe to AB's Kitchen. May you have peace and have a nice day.